Hello, and welcome back to another episode in our series of 1,000 Evidences for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. In this one, number 221, we'll be talking about the United Order and the Law of Consecration. Since the importance of consecrating time and means to the Lord was taught in New Testament times, the true restored church will teach those principles in our day. The Bible records the following: "And the multitude of them that believed were of one heart and of one soul. Neither had any of them that aught of the things which he possessed was his own, but they had all things in common. And with great power gave the apostles witness of the resurrection of the Lord Jesus. And great grace was upon them all. Neither was there any among them that lacked. For as many as were possessors of lands or of houses sold them, and brought the prices of the things that were sold, and laid them down at the apostles' feet. And distribution was made unto every man according as he had need." That's recorded in Acts chapter 4, verses 32 through 35. See also 2 Corinthians chapter 8, verse 13 through 15. The Lord revealed to the prophet Joseph Smith that the law of consecration is an everlasting order within the eternal gospel. That's as recorded in Doctrine and Covenants, section 42, verse 30 through 39, and several other verses. In order to live the law of consecration, the Latter-day Saints in the early years of this dispensation set up the United Order as the legal organization to receive consecrations and to convey stewardships back to donors, and to regulate the storehouses containing surplus properties. The United Order is not a communal system. It is not one under which all things are held in common. Rather, after a person has made his consecration, the Lord's agent returns to the donor as much as is sufficient for himself and his family. That's according to Doctrine and Covenants, section 42, verses 32. Each according to his family, according to his circumstances, and his wants and needs. That's in Doctrine and Covenants, section 51, verse 3. Inasmuch as his wants are just. Doctrine and Covenants, section 82, verse 17. Although the United Order was implemented for a time in the early years of the church, the principles continue to be taught, and the practice will be reintroduced in the future when the Lord reveals his will. It is truly ironic that other Christian churches do not practice this principle, even though it is an important Bible practice, a matter of life and death, as in the case of Ananias and Sapphira, as recounted in Acts chapter 5, verses 1 through 10. Notice that here again, the teachings of the LDS Church are closer to the Bible than any other Christian church. Yet many of them are very vocal about claiming that we have strayed away from the Bible. Clearly, the LDS Church is true and is closer to the Bible than any other church on the face of the whole earth. Thanks for watching, and remember, call, don't fall. Call on the Lord of the whole Bible. Don't fall for those who lack total biblical understanding and adherence.